what's up YouTube? How are you doing today? Chana D, your Techno Dad here, and today we got a really quick video. Nothing long, nothing lengthy, but definitely something happy for one of you viewers at home. So you guys know I had the Polk audio command bar in for review, and I just want to thank the good folks at Polk Audio for sponsoring this giveaway. Thanks guys. Alright, so if you haven't seen the video of the unboxing and how to set up the Polk audio command bar, I'll put a link down in the description and a card up top. And I want everybody to know that today, Saturday, June 30th, 2018, the Polk command bar starts shipping. So link for that is down in the description. If you guys didn't win the giveaway here, definitely check it out. At $2.99, it's a no-brainer. It's got Alexa built in. It upgrades your TV sound. What more could you want? It's pretty great. So let's get on with it, shall we? Let's get a quick drum roll, please. Brrr. And the winner is Tyler B from Wyoming. Congratulations, Tyler. Now for everybody else that did not win, so sorry, but don't worry. I have a feeling there's going to be another giveaway coming up soon, so don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. Now if you guys are interested in the Polk audio command bar, it is awesome. It's a great solution if you already have Alexa that you're running in your home and you need to upgrade your sound, let's say in your living room. This is perfect because you've got the sound bar and an Alexa dot right in there. So you don't have to have a second one, or you can move the one you already have in your living room to a bedroom or a bathroom or wherever you feel like you need to have Alexa. Now if you already have a full-fledged home theater set up in your living room and you're looking for a bedroom solution because your TV's got really, thin and it's got like no sound, or you got to jack up the volume pretty much 50-70% for you to actually hear anything, definitely check out the soundbar. And it's got Alexa built in, so if you're in the bedroom and the feeling's right, you can just ask Alexa to turn off the lights and play some sexy time music, and guess what? It'll happen. Anyway, there you go. This is a great soundbar for you guys to check out. So links down in the description. Once again, congratulations to Tyler in Wyoming. I'm going to send that out on Monday or something like that. Now I know the holiday's coming up, so everybody have a safe 4th of July. That's pretty much it. I'm trying to make this video as quick as possible. So hey, like and subscribe. Once again, my name is Chana D. I'm your Techno Dad, and I'll see you next time.